Hey there, YouTube. The head idiot here. Um, when I mounted the optics on my new rifle here, it became quickly apparent that the standard charging handle was going to become not easily accessible. So rather than going and spending 50, 60, 70 bucks, what have you, on a new one, I decided to go with an alternative from Strike Industries. It's a uh, extended charging handle latch. Uh, Comes with a spring and little tapered roll pin, and then the latch. I opted for red. They make it in a rainbow of colors, but nice serrated, give you a nice grip. I think it's going to be pretty cool. So let's throw this bad boy on there. First thing I got to do is remove the old roll pin, and there she goes. This is spring loaded, of course. All right, get back here. Oh, halfway there. Okay, don't want to lose the itty bitty. And it's a tapered roll pin. They tell you to put it in from the top. So first I will put Mr. Spring in. If I could get it to go in the hole. There we go. Now it's in the hole. Put in my little, and let's tap this bad boy into place. Well, assuming we can keep it lined up. Yeah. I'm fighting a spring and it's winning. Dadgummit. Okay, got her now. Oh, I think I do. You know, I guess what I should have done was use some sort of a slave pin, but being a hard-headed German, I don't always like to do things the easy way. Okay, are we catching? Nope, we're not catching. That's why it's not going. I am going to pop around to the back here. Use the punch as to hold it in place while I drive the pin. You know, you wouldn't think this would be so hard for a grown man to do. All right, well, son of a building block. I hope that the Texans have better luck tonight than I am having with this. There. Now I've got this bad boy in there. All right. And let's drive her the rest of the way. There we go. All done. Now, I think that is going to work spiffy. Let me install her here. Hang on a sec. All right, so I got this bad boy reinstalled here. Pretty spiffy looking if you ask me. But make it much easier to charge. Much easier. All right. Well, thank you, YouTube, for bearing with me.